Ever feel like you're running on empty by mid-afternoon? That 3 p.m. slump hits hard and coffee just isn't cutting it anymore. What if I told you there are superfoods that can give you a natural energy boost in just minutes? Superfoods are nutrient-packed foods that deliver a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're nature's way of giving us a quick, healthy energy boost without the crash. Unlike processed snacks or sugary drinks that leave you feeling sluggish afterward, superfoods work with your body to provide sustained energy, improve focus, and even enhance your overall well-being. From chia seeds to spirulina, these tiny but mighty foods are the secret weapon to powering through your day naturally. Unlike sugary snacks or caffeine, which can leave you feeling jittery or crashing hard after a short burst of energy, superfoods provide sustained energy that keeps you going strong. They're the ultimate fuel for your body and brain. While a candy bar or an extra shot of espresso might give you a quick spike, superfoods work in harmony with your body, delivering essential nutrients that support long-lasting vitality. Imagine feeling alert, focused, and energized without the roller coaster of highs and lows. Superfoods make it possible. By choosing natural energy sources, you're not just powering through your day, you're nourishing your body in a way that promotes overall health and well-being. When it comes to natural energy, not all foods are created equal. Enter superfoods, nature's ultimate powerhouses that can transform your energy levels in minutes. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to fuel your body and brain without the crashes or jitters associated with caffeine or sugar. Let's dive into 6 incredible superfoods that can help you power through your day, along with fun facts, the science behind their energy-boosting properties, and easy ways to incorporate them into your diet. These tiny black and white seeds may look unassuming, but they're nutritional powerhouses. Originating from the Salvia hispanica plant, chia seeds have been used for centuries by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans for their energy-boosting properties. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. When consumed, they absorb liquid and form a gel-like substance in your stomach, which helps release energy slowly and steadily. This makes them perfect for avoiding energy crashes. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie, mix them into oatmeal, or make a simple chia pudding by soaking them in almond milk overnight. They're versatile and easy to incorporate into almost any meal or snack. Before we continue to the next superfood on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially grown green tea leaves. Unlike regular green tea, matcha contains the entire leaf, making it a concentrated source of nutrients. Matcha provides a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm focus. This duo delivers a steady energy boost without the jitters or crashes often associated with coffee. Whisk matcha powder into hot water for a traditional tea, blend it into a latte, or add it to smoothies for a vibrant green energy kick. It's like yoga in a cup, calm yet invigorating. Almonds are a crunchy, nutrient-dense nut that's been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly convenient. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in converting food into energy. They also provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a balanced snack that keeps you full and energized. Keep a handful of almonds in your bag for a quick on-the-go snack, sprinkle them on yogurt, or blend them into almond butter for a creamy spread. They're the ultimate snack hack for busy days. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's as nutritious as it is versatile. Whether raw or cooked, it's a fantastic addition to any meal. Spinach is packed with iron, a mineral essential for transporting oxygen to your cells. Low iron levels can lead to fatigue, so incorporating spinach into your diet can help keep your energy levels up. It's also rich in vitamins A and C, which support overall health. Toss a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, sauté it with garlic as a side dish, or layer it into sandwiches and wraps. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are some of the most nutrient-dense fruits you can eat. These colorful gems are packed with powerful antioxidants, including anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and fight fatigue. Their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost without causing a spike in blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for sustained energy. Additionally, the high fiber content in berries supports digestion and promotes gut health, while their brain-boosting compounds enhance memory, focus, and cognitive function. Often referred to as nature's candy, berries are not only deliciously sweet and juicy, but also incredibly nourishing, making them a perfect snack for anyone looking to stay energized and sharp throughout the day. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with 70% or higher cocoa content, is more than just a tasty treat. It's a true superfood packed with health benefits. Rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, dark chocolate helps improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function, focus, and mental clarity. It also contains caffeine and theobromine, two natural stimulants that provide a gentle energy boost without the jitters associated with coffee. Additionally, dark chocolate is a powerful mood enhancer as it stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin, helping to reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. Its magnesium content further supports brain health by reducing fatigue and enhancing relaxation. The key is moderation. A small square or two is all you need to enjoy its brain-boosting and heart-healthy benefits while satisfying your chocolate cravings guilt-free. By incorporating these 6 superfoods into your diet, you'll not only boost your energy levels naturally, but also support your overall health. From chia seeds to dark chocolate, these foods are delicious, versatile, and packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Say goodbye to the 3 p.m. slump and hello to sustained natural energy. Ready to ditch the energy drinks and sugary snacks? Give these superfoods a try and feel the difference in minutes. Whether it's whipping up a chia pudding, sipping on a matcha latte, or snacking on a handful of almonds, these nutrient-packed foods are here to revolutionize your energy levels. Your body will thank you for the natural, sustained fuel that keeps you going strong all day long. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthier, more energized life. Who knew eating your way to more energy could be this delicious? Superfoods aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle upgrade. So, which one are you trying first? Whether you're team chia seeds, matcha lover, or dark chocolate enthusiast, there's a superfood waiting to power up your day. Go ahead, pick one, and start your journey to better energy today.